Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, how do some people seem to age backward? Their skin glows, their energy never runs out, and their face tells a story of youth, not years. Well, here's the truth many people don't know. Aging faster or slower is not just genetics, and it's nutrition, and the foods you eat can literally shave years off your appearance or add them. So if you're ready to discover the 7 powerful foods that help you live longer, look younger, and feel renewed every single day, then hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's step into your ageless future, starting now. Imagine waking up, looking in the mirror, and noticing your skin looking firmer, smoother, healthier. Imagine feeling lighter, having more energy, and watching your body respond as if it just remembered how to be young again. This isn't magic, this is science meeting food. Because the secret to longevity and youthful appearance starts with what we put on our plates. So let's dive into the 7 types of food scientifically proven to slow aging, renew your skin, protect your cells, and boost your lifespan. 1. Berries. Nature's wrinkle erasers. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. These tiny fruits are actually anti-aging powerhouses. Why? Because they are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which fight free radicals. Those little troublemakers that damage your skin cells and accelerate aging. Narratively, think of berries as tiny superheroes entering your bloodstream, protecting your skin from pollution, stress, sun damage, and inflammation. Daily consumption of berries has been linked to better skin elasticity, brain protection, and longer lifespan. If you want younger-looking skin, start your morning with berries. Your future self will thank you. Fatty fish, the youthful skin repairers. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout aren't just delicious. They're filled with omega-3 fatty acids, which act like natural moisturizers from the inside out. Omega-3s help reduce wrinkles, improve skin hydration, fight inflammation, and even boost heart health. Think of them as the internal serum your skin has been begging for. People who eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week have softer skin, fewer fine lines, better heart function, improved brain aging. Eat more fatty fish, and your skin will glow like morning dew. 3. Leafy greens, the natural age rewind button. Spinach, kale, arugula, collard greens, and lettuce. These foods are loaded with vitamin K, folate, lutein, and chlorophyll, the substances your body uses to repair damage and slow cellular decay. Narratively, picture leafy greens as your body's cleanup team. They sweep away toxins, repair worn-out cells, and boost your vitality from head to toe. When eaten daily, leafy greens can brighten skin complexion, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, slow cognitive aging. If youth had a flavor, it would taste like fresh greens. Nuts and seeds, the ageless energy providers. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds. These snacks deliver healthy fats, vitamin E, protein, and minerals that keep your skin firm and your body young. Vitamin E is known as the skin-protecting vitamin, shielding you from sun damage and supporting collagen production. Walnuts, for example, contain polyphenols which protect your brain, while almonds support smooth, glowing skin. A handful a day keeps wrinkles away. Avocados, the creamy fountain of youth. Avocados aren't just a trend, they're a youth-preserving miracle. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, potassium, folate, and fiber. Avocados nourish your skin on a cellular level. They make your complexion look plump, hydrated, and firm. And here's the best part. Avocados help your body absorb other anti-aging nutrients better, especially vitamins A, D, E, and K. It's like eating a beauty treatment. Green tea, the longevity elixir. If water had a wiser, healthier older sister, it would be green tea. It contains EGCG, one of the most powerful anti-aging antioxidants ever discovered. EGCG repairs DNA, protects cells, boosts metabolism, and even improves skin texture. People who drink green tea regularly often have slower biological aging, reduced inflammation, improved skin tone, better metabolism. Every cup is a quiet investment in your future. Dark chocolate, the sweet anti-aging weapon. Yes, chocolate made the list. But not just any chocolate, and we're talking dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which increase blood flow to the skin, reduce stress, improve heart health, and protect against sun damage. A small piece a few times a week can smoothen your skin, boost your mood, sharpen your mind, support heart longevity. It's proof that anti-aging doesn't have to be boring. Aging is natural, but aging faster is optional. Every meal is a choice between nourishing your body or draining your vitality. Eat more berries, greens, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, avocados, green tea, and dark chocolate. And you begin a transformation your skin, your energy, and your body will feel. So if you're ready for more life-changing health insights, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell. Because your journey to a younger, healthier, more radiant you is just getting started.